are. Where are we at, Bim? What's the name of the restaurant?
Yellow Bus.
Yellow Bus.
Yellow Bus.
Yellow
Yes.
Bus. Yes, and it's New Year's Eve, and we're having a New Year's Eve dinner.
Happy New Year.
Sasi May.
Happy New Year.
Yep.
Soon.
Yeah. Anyway, we're just starting to get our food, and we've got a special appearance. This bride, May's son's folk came from Korat, and he brought his girlfriend, Champu. Anyway, they all got their food. She says she speaks a little bit of English, so I'll test that out later when it's not so noisy. Maybe we can have some one-on-one time, see if she does know some English. But anyway, started the New Year's Eve here in Wyham, having a great meal. And after this, I think we plan on going down to the beach.
Walk down to the beach about 10 minutes from here.
Yeah, it's only about 10 minutes from here, yeah. Exactly. Yep. So anyway, guys, like I said, I'll take you along for a ride. Let's celebrate this New Year's. We're going to usher in 2025. Well, all that came to 1,100. That's about, what, $32, something like that, to feed 5 people. Not bad. Drinks and food. Now we're going to walk around a little bit before we head down to the beach. Let's go check it out. Oh, we need photos taken first. Okay, so we wandered down the street, found a place to play some pool and order some cocktails.
What kind of cocktail you have?
Oh, we have a lot of good cocktails. So I've got my butt kicked twice on the pool table, so I'm going to sit down and enjoy my cocktail. This Bim got herself a chocolate ice cream dessert. That looks super good. I don't know how Sasi May's doing over there. We'll find out if she's a winner tonight or not. Anyway, the New Year's celebration's going down. Soy 94 is going on. Everything's busy with barbecues and balloons. Hey, we're coming up to the area of Wonderland. The bars here are pretty much packed. A lot going on this New Year's. Everybody having a good time. But hey, we'll check it out. You guys come along with me here. But yeah, last couple of weeks with Christmas and everything going on, this street, Soy 94, has been quite busy. Looks like everybody's getting ready for New Year's. Yeah, Wonderland's got quite a few customers on the inside. Everybody getting ready to wish in the new year. But I'm guessing there's going to be a ton of people down at the beach. Yeah, they're dancing, having a good time. Yeah, quite a bit of traffic going this way. But anyway, let's make our way down to the beach, just up this way. We don't get run over first. Yeah, a lot of people walking that direction. Right across the street from Soy 94, just head across the main road, and this will take you right straight down to the beach, that's where we're going right now. I know the lights are pretty dim down here, but yeah, there's a lot of people on the beach up and down here. They're going to be doing one of those things that go up in the air, but it's kind of windy, so it might not go up very well. Oh, there it goes, and some of the fireworks started.
Oh, I don't have photo. Very bad.
This is where everybody goes, ooh, ah, ee. Put a barge out in the middle of the ocean, and they fill it up with the fireworks. But coming down to the beach is the best place to come when you're in Wyham, just in front of the Centauro Hotel. Quite a few people down here on the beach. I mean, there's thousands of people here. And they do put on a good fireworks show at New Year's here. The finale. Hey, Happy New Year, everybody. They bought some sparklers. Oh, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year from Bim.
ไม่ดีซื้อเหรอ เอามาต่อดิโป๊ะ
Oh, Sasi May's got one now too. There we go. Yeah, no matter how old you are, I guess there's a kid in everybody. Yeah, don't burn anybody. I guess I get to hang on to it for a while too. Let's see if I can do this without burning myself. Everybody's getting in the mood. Thanks. Grab the bottom. Meow. Well, you afraid of it? He doesn't want to grab it. Poking his girlfriend. They're having a good time. Here's a close-up of one of those lanterns that goes up to the sky. You have to let the heat build up inside the paper, kind of like a tissue paper sack. And of course, once it gets filled up with heat, it'll go up in the sky. They're checking it out, seeing if it's getting lighter. But they want to make sure it's got enough hot air to clear all the crowd, get over everybody's head. Okay, and there it goes. There it goes. Up, 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 up. Yep, yep. It's just kind of hanging there a little bit. Okay, now it's taking off. Yeah, these guys got the right idea. They came down and they're camping on the beach, got their chairs and tables all set up. There you go, that's the way to do that. All the fun and the excitement on the beach. Here we're coming up to the veranda lounge. They've got their own little music going on, dance floor on the beach. A couple of people having fun dancing. Tables and chairs set up. All right, Sasi May's taking photos. But yeah, looks like they have buffet food. Come here, get some food, drink. Probably costs so much per table, of course, so much per person. And they got a party going on here. Yeah. Entertainment at its best, I guess. And the expression here, they say, may contain nuts. So please read the label carefully. Came across another party place here. People having fun, got tables set up, drinks being served. Got their own little bar on the beach.
Let's go!
Moodang Cup. Moodang Bim. Hey, Auntie. Okay, we're walking away from one party zone. We're gonna head down up towards the Hilton to the next party zone.
You okay, honey?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
I'm fine. How far you there?
Well, it's up over the next lights up there.
Really fast.
I think we'll make it. A lot of people down in this area, down by the Hilton. Heck, you see the pier lights are lit up over there. But yeah, they're just thousands and thousands and thousands of people on the beach. More and more people just cramming down to the beach. I don't think there's room for any more people. Yeah, the fireworks you guys saw, that was the 10 o'clock show. It's probably about a quarter after 11 right now. As you can see, there's more and more people going down to the beach. But we're gonna clear out of here before the 12 o'clock show, because it would just be tremendously difficult to leave at the 12 o'clock show. So anyway, I think we're making the right decision. So anyway, after walking all the way down the beach, we decided to get ourselves a Tuk Tuk. We're gonna head back towards Soi 94. We're missing two people. The folk, May's son, Folk, and his girlfriend, they
walk?
Yeah. Oh, there's Father Ted's. They're having a party. So hey, if you want to have some fun, come down to Father Ted's. So anyway, we're gonna tuk tuk it back to the shop. They were by the police box here. If you ever coming to by the police station, don't have a helmet, don't have a license, they'll jump out of that box and they'll get you. Hey, you guys remember your first tuk tuk ride? Hey, please leave a comment. Let me know how long ago was the first time you rode a tuk tuk. Or if you haven't ridden, I'd like to hear from you too. But anyway, tuk tuk rides are fun. Yeah. Goes our tip tuk tuk ride, but as you can see, Wonderland's going crazy. They're busy tonight. You know, anybody that tells you Wah Hin's slow, yeah, don't listen to them. There's a lot of people here. Anyway, we made it back to the shop all in one piece. Maybe we'll have some New Year's beers here. Let's see what the ladies want to do. Here, Sasi May and Bruce, we just want to wish everybody a happy New Year. Had a great year. Looking forward to a better next year. So anyway, Chon Chon. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Okay, it's officially New Year's down on Soi 94. Well, we got something going on behind us. Oh, there we go. Okay, Soi 94 is going crazy. Everybody here at the little shop that we're staying in. Okay, now it's officially 12 o'clock and New Year's here in Thailand. Happy New Year, honey. We get a kiss on the mouth. Boy. Oh, I don't think they saw that. Might have to edit that part out. It's not for young audiences. Here they gave little poppers. Hey! Here. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna pull this apart.
Happy New Year!
Hey, I got to do some fireworks. Thais do enjoy New Year's. No, don't stop. Mudang.
Mudeng.
Mudang.
Mudeng.
Anyway. Oh, shot.
Shot.
Here, they gave us New Year shots. Happy New Year again, honey.
Happy New Year again. Okay,
Chon Chon, Suk Soi. Oh, that's some good stuff, Maynard. Good stuff, Maynard. Oh, you have one too? Okay. Yeah. Chok di cup.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
Chok di cup. Happy New Year. Somebody be mine. Oh, that's some good stuff. It's not gonna be a good game, honey. No, that ain't the one. Oh, that ain't the shot either. Maybe next time, honey. I'm sorry, what just happened, honey?
I'm the winner
And why are you the winner?
because you hit the egg ball.
I hit the 8 ball where?
Go to the hole.
Oh, so that means I lose?
Yes.
Okay, so you won 1 game out of 4.
Oh wow.
So-
And
so-
then the last game I win.
So Happy New Year to you, honey.
No.
Yeah, we're gonna finish our cocktails and go home, guys. they want to close up here at 1, I think. Okay, so we had 6 blue margaritas. Well, she had a mojito. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 777 baht. I'll put the price on there. It's like 130 a drink. Not a bad deal.
This is the second meal.
They're strong.